So we've been moved in at our new facility here for going on about a year and a half. Obviously, you guys have probably seen the videos that we've done about the new location, the increase in production, the massive increase in size. And we just really wanted to talk today about our lead times. About a year ago now, we made an announcement to our dealer network and through our newsletter. Make sure you're signed up to our newsletter to get any updates on new product and anything we've got going on. We did make the announcement that since being moved into the new shop, improved manufacturing capabilities and everything else throughout the whole shop, that we've slammed those lead times down, and we're excited to say that our lead times are the fastest that they've ever been in our company's history. Today, we've got shelves and shelves all the way to the ceiling, 24 feet tall, stacked with product. Everything from traction bars. Traction bars used to be one of the longest lead time items we had. We've got gloss black, gloss white, WCFab traction bars for all model trucks that we offer them for in stock, on the shelf, ready to ship in that 3 to 5 day window. We don't ship next day or overnight because we're a manufacturing facility. We try and supply our dealers and our distribution network so that they have product on the shelf, ready to ship. We tripled our powder coat shop capacity, which was one of our large bottlenecks in our old facility. We used to work multiple shifts to try and keep up with production. With our increased equipment here at the new shop, we're able to get all of our production done in a normal day shift and not have to worry about the night shifts, which is really great. If you're on a product's web page, any product in particular, we'll typically note on the top of that web page what colors are in stock available for that quick ship. Any other special color or custom color is going to come with an extended lead time. If you're choosing to have the WCFab tag powder coated a special color, that slows things up in the shop and that causes an extended lead time. Same goes with special order colors that's not on our stock 35 color list, or powder coated clamps, for example. All those special little features, if you're really customizing the underhood of your truck, those will bring a little extra lead times. But if you got a blown intercooler pipe, you're stuck on the side of the road, if you've got a truck with a cracked factory coolant tank, if you're looking to install a high flow bundle kit before the next big truck show next weekend, a lot of those popular and common colors, most common being WCFab red and gray, our signature colors, as well as gloss black, gloss white, and some models, Bengal blue, Bengal red, just to name a few, are our most common in stock, on the shelf, ready to ship colors. If there's one in particular you're looking for, you're not sure about, always make sure to reach out to our sales team if you're in a hurry, because sometimes we can direct you towards a dealer who we know has that product on the shelf. If you go to our dealer map section on the website, you can type in your zip code. We've got an awesome dealer network, over 100 dealers across the country, even Canada and Australia. So these dealers are pulling from our stock, pulling from distribution, and some of them even have a huge stock on their own shelves. So we love to have you support our dealer network. Thanks again for tuning in and watching and following. I'm Jason Wehrli. Everybody have a good day.